Hello, friends. If your hips feel tight or sore, then this gentle stretch can help restore mobility. My name's Gillian, and I'm going to guide you through this gentle flow. We'll get started in child's pose. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Spread your knees out on the mat. Bring your toes together if that feels okay for you. Rest your forehead down on the mat. You can let your elbows sink down or keep them raised. Press your hips back towards your heels. Take a deep breath. Finding your center. Just breathe. Feeling your hips opening and your body get heavy. Walk your hands over to the right. Place your left hand on top of your right hand for a side bend. Keep pressing your hips back. Feeling the stretch along your side. Take a deep breath. And switch sides. Walk your hands over to the left. Stack your right hand on top of your left hand. Feel that stretch along your sides. Press your hips back. Feel your hips opening, maybe sinking down. Breathe into this stretch. And walk your hands back to center. Rise up into tabletop position with your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees for cat-cow. Tilt your tailbone up, drop your belly, lift your chest, inhale cow. Exhale, arch your spine, tuck your tailbone under, press through your hands, cat. Inhale, cow, and exhale, cat. We'll do this a few times at our own breath. You can make some circles with your hips, whatever feels good and organic to you. It can be different every day. If you're doing circles, switch directions. You might be hearing some snap, crackle, and pops. I know I do. And return back to tabletop position. Widen your knees out on the mat. Keep your toes towards each other. And lean forward onto your palms. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, sink your hips back towards child's pose. Inhale, come forward onto your palms, lift your chest. Exhale, sink your hips back towards child's pose. Inhale, forward on your palms, lift your chest. Exhale, child's pose. Do this a few times at your own breath. Inhaling as you come forward and exhale back. This is a great active hip opening stretch. On your next inhale, return back to tabletop position. Bring your knees back under you and tuck your toes under for downward facing dog. Press through your heels. You can walk out your dog, sinking one heel down at a time. Spread your fingers out on the mat. Lift your hips up. And sink down both of your heels. Walk your feet forward for forward fold. Bring your feet out about hip width apart. You can grab onto opposite elbows. Maybe sway side to side. Shake your head out yes and no. Keep breathing. If you have your elbows, release them. Walk your feet out wide with your toes pointed out, and then sink your hips down for Malasana. You can bring your hands to your heart or place them out in front of you, maybe grab onto the mat. If this is a lot for you, you can lift your heels, or maybe if you have a block, you can sit on the block. Whatever works better for you. This definitely isn't an easy pose. It's a pretty strong hip opener. So wherever you are, just take some deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep breath. And on the next exhale, release down. Bring your arms behind you. Bring your feet flat on the mat and windshield wiper your legs, rocking your knees side to side. Releasing your hips. They probably feel pretty open after that Malasana. And come down onto your back. Whatever way works for you, maybe grab onto your thighs. Take a deep breath for figure 4. Cross your right ankle over your left quad, bringing your right knee out. You can stay like this with your left foot flat on the mat, or you can hug your left knee in towards you. This creates a pretty deep hip opener along your right glute. Keep breathing. In deep stretches, we tend to hold our breath. And release. And switch sides. Cross your left ankle over your right quad. Open up your left knee. Maybe stay here with your right foot grounded, or pull your right knee in. Whatever works better for you. You probably feel a strong stretch along your left glute. And release this, placing both feet on the mat. Bring your arms out into a T and drop your knees to the right as you look over your left hand for a supine spinal twist. You might be feeling a stretch along your side. If this is too much for your neck, you can look up at the ceiling. Whatever works better for you. Bring your knees up, switch sides. Drop your knees to the left as you look over your right hand. Feel that stretch along your right side. Keep breathing. And pull your knees in. Hug your knees towards your chest for happy baby pose. Grab onto the bottoms of your feet. Pull your knees towards your armpits. Maybe rock side to side, massaging the bottoms of your feet. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Release this. Stretch your legs out. Stretch your arms out overhead. Wiggle out your toes. Wiggle out your fingers. The hardest yoga pose of them all, of a big smile. And release. Bring your arms along your sides. Relax. For final Savasana. We'll just be doing a short Savasana today, but please stay here as long as you can. And wiggle out your toes, wiggle out your fingers, roll onto your side, and rise up. Come into a comfortable seat. You can bring your hands to your heart. I hope your hips feel a little bit looser. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.